Alright, welcome back everybody. Thank you for watching another video. So it's finally time for me to get off the sidelines and get into the cryptocurrency game. I, like many other people, have let really great investment opportunities go. And to me, I think it's because at the time, 10 years ago, I just really didn't have a good grasp of what cryptocurrency was, and most importantly, the underlying technology that cryptocurrency is resting on. Had I really gripped down and understood what that was, I probably would have made more money available to invest all those years ago. So today we're just going to have a brief look at what cryptocurrency is and maybe some factors that you should look at when trying to choose what cryptocurrency to invest in. Okay, let's begin. What is cryptocurrency? Well, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all cryptocurrencies, basically digital currency, just like a credit card, right? Nothing for you to see. It's all digital. Main difference there is that credit cards are centralized around your bank. Banks control all that. Cryptocurrencies, totally decentralized. That's going to be a topic for a different video, way outside of the scope right now. But basically, all you got to know right now is November 3rd, 2021. Here are the symbols for Bitcoin, right? BTC. And Ethereum, which is ETC. Here's what they're worth. 1 unit, $63,182. And Ethereum coming in at $4,500. And we'll call that $84 for now. Keeping in mind the beginning of the year, Ethereum was around $200 per unit, and Bitcoin, when I first heard of it, was running at about $200 per coin, and that was maybe about 10 years ago, I'm thinking. But look at that, and that is why you need to get into the game. And I don't know about you guys, but numbers like these, I think it's a crazy amount of increase in what is a short amount of time, and I think that's why these really deserve having a closer look at. Now, I think probably some of the confusion out there is between cryptocurrencies like this that are based on a technology called blockchain, and I don't know if we're going to get into that, but that's a whole different category. But these cryptocurrencies have utility. They're out there trying to solve real world problems for the future. For example, Web 3.0. When the internet first came out, it was very basic. That's Web 1.0. Now we're on 2.0, but there's a new version of it coming out. And blockchains, which this is all based on, has the ability to solve those problems, as well as doing things like peer-to-peer currency transfers and things like that. That's what these cryptocurrencies specialize in. However, there's another group out there called meme coins. And the two most popular out there are the Dogecoin. Here's their symbol. And the Shibu. I think there's no U. Okay, yeah, just SHIB. And these are based on just pure popularity, celebrities endorsing them, influencers. And it's kind of like what they did with the whole GameStop thing. They want to try to get as many people to invest in it, kind of gaining momentum and therefore driving the price up. A great example is the Squid Games one. Just yesterday, went up to 2,000 in a day and then just crashed down to zero. Now, that's not to say I wouldn't try to invest in a meme coin if I felt like I was going to be able to catch an upward trend. But because this isn't based on anything trying to solve a problem or doesn't have a utility, I would sell it as soon as possible. I make a few bucks and get rid of it. And it's because of those types of investment behaviors for meme coins that I don't think they're going to be around for a long amount of time. I think if you want a long-term solution in cryptocurrency, you got to go with something based on the blockchain, because again, those guys are out there trying to solve problems in the near future that we're all going to have. All right, let's say you're stoked, you're ready to go, you're excited, you want to invest in cryptocurrency. How do you go about picking what cryptocurrency to invest in? Let's face it, not everybody has $63,000 or $4,600 to invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum. Keeping in mind, you can invest in smaller chunks, like maybe $100 per month, $500, whatever. You can still do that, but what if you didn't want to go with these guys? How do you go about picking a cryptocurrency to invest in? All right, here is a good place to start. The first thing you're going to do is check out the company's white paper. And if it doesn't have a white paper, then probably not worth investing in that cryptocurrency. Every reputable cryptocurrency has a white paper. And this is just a page that tells you who the founder is. Once you figure out who the founder is, you can research his name, see where that person came from, where they've been, what kind of projects that they've worked on. Most importantly, though, this white paper is going to tell you about the actual blockchain itself. What problems are they trying to solve, how they're going to do it, the solutions, when they're going to implement them by. This is a great place to actually start at. And then you're just looking for evidence to see if they're active. Any social media, jump on Reddit to see how active the community is, because a blockchain or cryptocurrency is only as good as the community that is using the blockchain. And lastly, when you're looking at the exchange, you want to see a decent amount of activity going back and forth between the two, because if nobody's trading it, nobody's buying it. Well, all right, guys, if you're thinking about getting into the cryptocurrency game like I am, these are just some things to consider. Tune into my next video when we're going to have a look at how you can purchase cryptocurrency and some of the things you're going to need to keep those cryptocurrencies safe. And hopefully we can head to success like this. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.